We are gearing up to enter the holidays with a clutter-free home. So, we are doing a 10-day challenge for Declutter December where we take 10 to 15 minutes every single day and do a small task that is going to set us up for the holiday clutter influx. Hopefully, it's not that much clutter, but in case it is, we will be prepared. For today's challenge, we're going to go back into our bedrooms or wherever our wardrobe happens to be and go into our closet and declutter that. Today we're going to set a 10-minute timer once again and get rid of the clothes that is no longer serving us. Now we're not going to organize anything today. We're just going to eliminate it. And some tips that you can use to make the process even more smooth, as it is only 10 short minutes. We're going to decide yes or no, and if it's not a yes, it is an absolute no. However, if at the end of the 10 minutes you still find yourself with a ton of stuff, then add 5 more minutes, but this time ask yourself to make it easier if you can do without it. And I'm going to challenge you today to get rid of 5 pieces. I know you can do it, that you can do without. Don't forget that a lot of times we may tend to get clothes during the holidays. So anything from pajamas to tops to dresses. And if it's in great condition, once again, do donate it because that will help a lot of people. In the beginning, it might be a bit of a challenge to part with our things, but once we begin to let go of it, we will embrace the simplicity of this life, and we will see that it is so much more freeing than having a ton of stuff. If you're just jumping into the challenge, check out yesterday's video. It was the first day of the challenge, and I'll see you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.